There was some leftover rice and lots of carrots in the fridge. So my dinner was set. It was going to be yummy carrot rice. So let's see how to make it. Heat some oil and ghee. I have heated 3 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon ghee. Add 6 cloves, 8 peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds and 3 tablespoon cashew. Stir until the cashew nuts turn golden. Add 2 green chillies, 4 onions sliced, 2 bay leaves. You can add this bay leaf at the beginning along with the whole spices. Because I forgot, I'm adding now. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons sambar powder. Do not skip the sambar powder. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and salt. Mix it well and add 5 cups peeled and grated carrots. Cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes so that the raw smell of the carrots goes. Now add 5 cups cooked rice and coriander leaves. Mix well on a low to medium flame. Now switch off the flame and add half cup grated coconut and some lemon juice. Give it a mix. You're done. Delicious carrot rice is ready. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye. See you.